In this video, I will show you how to manage your tags. In order to see the tags, first of all, we will need to add the tag so we can see it. Okay, here are the tags. Second of all, I will go to the left filter and I will select the tag is not empty. At that point, I will see all the leads that contains at least one tag. Let's say that I like to remove those two tags. I can click on the record, go to tags and remove tags. The system will ask me which tags I like to remove. I will remove only one of them. Okay? Let's say the other one, I like to add a tag. So I will click on add tags and that will be a web form. Bang. So this is the way to manage tags in Zoho CRM.